In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check if your device is compatible with Windows 11. Fix today. Here, let's begin. Start by opening a new browser tab on your computer. In the search bar, type and look for the Download PC Health Check app link, then click it and save the file to your computer. Once the download is complete, open the Windows PC Health Check setup file and follow the on-screen instructions to install it. If you already have the app installed, you can go ahead and open it. After launching the app, you'll see an overview of your system under the PC Health at a Glance section. From here, click the blue check Now button. The app will quickly scan your system and show a result. A pop-up will appear telling you whether your PC meets Windows 11 requirements or not. If your device is compatible, you'll see a confirmation message. If not, it will tell you that your PC doesn't currently meet the system requirements. To get more details, click See All Results. This will show you a breakdown of important components like your processor, TPM version, secure boot, and other requirements needed for Windows 11. You can also see additional details here, such as Windows backup status, Windows update status, battery capacity, storage capacity, and your startup time. If you want to manually check one of the most important requirements, click the search icon, type tpm.msc, and press Enter. This will open the TPM management window. Here, look at the status and specification version. It should say that the TPM is ready for use, and the version should be 2.0 to meet Windows 11 requirements. If needed, you can also click the refresh option on the left side to update the status. After following these steps, you'll clearly know whether your device is compatible with Windows 11 or not. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.